Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M11 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. And now let's focus on the useful features. At the second place in this category we have picture as preview option, so this is the mirror effect here. By using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. And also we have some short information from the device that this option allows us to save selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.